Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Indian Premier League IPL 2021 All Teams Best Probable Squad. Royal Challengers Bangalore Probable Squad. Jason Roy from England. Devdutt Padikkal. ABD Villiers from South Africa. Mushfiqur Rahim from Bangladesh. Dinesh Karthik. Virat Kohli. Gurkeerat Singh. Mohammad Nabi from Afghanistan. Chris Morris from South Africa. Shivam Dube. Ujbendra Chahal. Sandeep Lamichhane from Nepal. Ken Richardson from Australia. Navdeep Saini. Bhubaneswar Kumar. Mohammad Siraj. Isuru Udana from Sri Lanka. Washington Sundar. Shahbaz Ahmed. Pavan Deshpande. Chennai Super Kings Squad. Chris Lynn from Australia. Ambati Rayudu. Faf du Plessis from South Africa. Chris Gayle from West Indies. MS Dhoni. Ruturaj Gaikwad. Ravindra Jadeja. Sam Curran. Narayan Jagadisan. David Miller from South Africa. Sunil Narine from West Indies. Piyush Chawla. Robin Uthappa. Pat Cummins from Australia. Chris Oakes from England. Sai Kishore. Shardul Thakur. Deepak Chahar. Parthiv Patel. Monu Kumar. Kolkata Knight Riders Probable Squad. Eoin Morgan from England. Aaron Finch from Australia. Nitish Rana. Andre Russell from West Indies. Shubman Gill. Tim Shepherd from New Zealand. Varun Chakraborty. Ali Khan. Rahul Tripathi. Mustafizur Rahman from Bangladesh. Krunal Pandya. Mujibur Rahman from Afghanistan. Lasith Malinga from Sri Lanka. Siddesh Lad. Riddhiman Saha. Kamlesh Nagarkoti. Rinku Singh. Prashid Krishna. Nikhil Nayak. Kings 11 Punjab Probable Squad. Evan Lewis from West Indies. Mayank Agarwal. KL Rahul. Saqib Al Hasan from Bangladesh. Suresh Raina. Ben Cutting from Australia. Nicholas Puran from West Indies. Dwayne Bravo from West Indies. Mandeep Singh. Deepak Huda, Harbhajan Singh, David Malan from England, Murugan Ashwin, Ravi Bishnoi, Mitchell Starc from Australia, Mohammad Shami, Chris Jordan from England, Josh Hazlewood from Australia, Umesh Yadav, Arshdeep Singh, Sunrisers Hyderabad probable squad, David Warner from Australia, Glenn Maxwell from Australia, Manish Pandey, Ken Williamson from New Zealand, Mitchell Marsh from Australia, Mahmudullah Riyad from Bangladesh, Priyam Garg, Abdul Samad, Jason Holder from West Indies, Ishan Kishan, Johnny Bairstow from England, Abhishek Sharma, Rashid Khan, T. Natarajan, Ishant Sharma, Khalil Ahmed, Kuldeep Yadav, Shahbaz Nadim, Prithviraj Yara, Sandeep Sharma, Mumbai Indians best probable squad, Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav, Tamim Iqbal from Bangladesh, Saurabh Tiwari, Quinton de Kock from South Africa, Kieron Pollard from West Indies, Hardik Pandya, Yusuf Pathan, Imran Tahir from South Africa, Krishnappa Gautam, Digvijoy Deshmukh, Aditya Tare, Rahul Chahar, Jayant Yadav, Jasprit Bumrah, Nathan Coulter-Nile from Australia, Dale Steyn from South Africa, Trent Bolt from New Zealand, James Pattinson from Australia, Dhawal Kulkarni, Delhi Capitals probable squad, Shikhar Dhawan, Tom Benton from England, Shreyas Iyer, Ajinkya Rahane, Liton Kumar Das from Bangladesh, Shimran Hetmyer from West Indies, Marcus Stoinis from Australia, Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel, Thisara Pereira from Sri Lanka, Sean Abbott from Australia, Ravichandran Ashwin, Avesh Khan, Kagiso Rabada from South Africa, Henrik Norgay from South Africa, Harshal Patel, Joydev Unathkat, Tushar Deshpande, Prithvi Shah, Lalit Yadav, Rajasthan Royals probable squad: Steve Smith from Australia, Joe Root from England, Sanju Samson, Alex Hales from England, Muhipal Lomror, Benny Stokes from England, Rahul Tiwatia, Josh Butler from England, Shreyas Gopal, Jofra Archer, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Anuj Rawat, James Nisham from New Zealand, Varun Aaron, Ankit Rajput, Mayank Markande, Kartik Tyagi, Riyan Parak, Aniruddha Joshi, Lucky Ferguson from New Zealand. Viewers, which team will be the champion of Indian Premier League IPL 2021? You can let us know by commenting, and if you really think it's an informative video, then please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.